in the kids' room. We have finished painting the two walls, one being the Minecraft green and the other one Sonic blue. They look really good. We're really happy with it. We did two walls white, and the reason we did that is because we didn't want the room to be too dark, but also so each of the boys have their own side of the room. They can decorate how they wanted. Stephen chose Sonic for his bed, so we decided that we were going to do Sonic blue, and Benjamin chose Minecraft for his bed. So once the room is done, I'll show you how we set that up. But the last thing we have to do, so we ended up doing primer on the ceiling, which looks really good. We did primer on all the walls and the ceiling. We did 2 coats of primer on the ceiling actually, and 1 coat of primer all the way around. And then we did 2 coats of the color and 2 coats of the green, and then 1 coat of the white paint on both the 2 white walls and then the ceiling. The last thing we need to do is we need to touch up this trim here. So these walls were exterior walls, and we are just wanting to kind of clean them up and make them look fresh, so the room is completely done. So when we are all done, I will show you the end product. I'm super excited because this is going to be the one room that we have completed, and it's for the kids, and I'm super excited to see how they like it. They liked the colors that we chose, and we showed them the steps along the way, so they're super excited. So I'm hoping by this weekend they are in their bedroom. Okay, let's get the trim done, and I'll show you when we're done.